Mark doesn't get out much, so it's good to see him. Mark, we love that enthusiasm, man. Thank you.